Grass always looks greener on other sides, says the experience of thousands of migrant workers who left for their home from Kerala. As per reports, most of them who had found their way to home after day-long protest now wants to be back. The government is said to be receiving thousands of applications for the interstate travel pass from the migrant laborers, mostly from Bihar. Kerala had made a stellar example of migrant laborers management arranging proper stay, food and health facilities for their guest laborers, while in reality most of them lacked even these basic facilities back home. They were asked to sleep on floor in large quarantine halls. Video regarding the same is now being propagated in social media. Responding to us, Chaman, one of the guest laborers, said that they are neither receiving proper food nor sleep. The realization that may not be receiving proper jobs or income also disturbs them. What prompts them to come back is the fact that Kerala offers them a stable income along with proper food as construction sector, where most of them were employed, is still active in the state. The strikes which began at Paipad in Kottayam had turned violent in Trivandrum. Policemen including CI were injured in the stone pelting that came out of these protests. Kerala had led the way, calling the migrant laborers guests, even during a crisis time when many of them had to resort to mass exodus in their states. Kerala had always comforted them, considered and cared for them. While we had seen the police atrocities elsewhere in Kerala, things had been different. Policemen had been active in the streets with different projects including Oru Vayarutam to feed the desolated. Top rank officials including DGP and IG were on the street to feed the people. They also had visited the camps where the guest laborers were staying to ensure that things were fine. Kerala is home to lakhs of migrant workers and the state had been extremely cautious of dealing with them, as one of instance of provocations might lead to massive disturbance in lockdown. It also considered when protests erupted from various corners and became the first state in the country to request train service for them. Even after arranging train, each of them who wanted to travel home was taken to railway stations for free in KSRTC bus. Ministers, district collectors and police officials were present in the station to see of them. They were also presented with food packets to sustain the 48 to 56-hour long travel. While there had been complaints about the stale food packets from other states, Kerala was lauded for the care it took at each step. They have realized that while even in their home states they aren't receiving the proper basic facilities, situation is far different and better in Kerala. There aren't police officials with food kits or community kitchens in other states. Most of them travel back due to homesickness. Thousands had already left for their hometowns in Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Orissa, UP and Assam. The process is still continuing. However, a group of them have decided to stay back in Kerala owing to the facilities that they are received here. Meanwhile, a recent study reports of Swasti, a health sector NGO, suggests that COVID situations might get worsened in 7 states including Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh and Gujarat. There might be mass spread in the state of Rajasthan and Maharashtra as well. The report also suggests that COVID can be contained in states like Kerala, Himachal, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Punjab, Jammu and northeastern states. The study reports also says that the state which might see the highest fatalities also has the worst socio-economic situation, like poverty and poor health facilities.